Hi everyone, I'm James.
And I'm Angela.
And I'm Anne-Marie.
And I'm Anne-Sophia. And I'm Ariel.
And today we are going to be singing a Filipino folk song called Bahay Kubo. We hope that you enjoy it. 3, 2, 1.
Bahay kubo kahit munti, ang halaman doon ay sari-sari. Singkamas at talong, sigarilyas at mani, sitaw, bataw, patani. Kundol, patola, upot, kalabasa, at saka mayroon pa labanos, mustasa, sibuyas, kamatis, bawang at luya. Sa paligid-ligid ay puno ng linga.
Ha?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.